Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm looking a little crazy and I have been requested to do my lashes. Okay, so I have a couple people that wants to try my lashes on my lash line. Does that make sense? A couple people want to try my lashes on my lash line. A couple people want to try my lashes from my lash line. Let's get this grammar correct, okay? So the lashes I will be putting on today are here. Look at there, look at there. Aren't they beautiful? Are my Queenin lashes, fit for a queen. So the items that you're gonna need is, of course, my lashes. You thought I was gonna say somebody else's? Whatever this tool is called, both are good. I like both. So whichever one you prefer. I know Duo is really popular, but I do like this version of Kiss that comes with the little brush. I like this. The one that comes in a tube like this, it's okay, but I prefer the one that comes with the brush. I rarely cut my lashes. Maybe some of these, you know, I look back on some pictures, I'm like, girl, you was wrong for that. What were you thinking? But you know, we live and we learn, right? We live and we learn, boo. And I'm gonna start from like maybe like I don't know, maybe a little bit. It's about 2 centimeters. Y'all gonna really take a ruler and do this? Just the adhesive that's on the lash. See that? Can y'all see that? Perfect fit. When I put on my lashes, I try to put it exactly on top of my natural lash. That's how much glue I put on. Put my glue right there on the edge. And I'm looking down, okay? So if I place my lashes looking straight ahead, they might end up straight, okay? Or bent somewhere. So I'm kind of starting from the end and laying it down like that. As long as I'm still breathing, all I'm ever gonna need is here with you. I ain't got this hard to lose. 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 We ain't come this far 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 to lose. All we ever did was win, and that's all we gonna do. All we ever did was win, and that's all we gonna do. Cause I ain't got this hard to lose. Cause I ain't got this hard to lose. Cause I ain't got this hard to lose. I ain't got this hard, this hard, this hard. I ain't never letting you go. My mama ain't raised up no quitter. My daddy made me a go-getter. And I got you, so I'm rocking with you. Need you to treat me like you know. I'm the one, boy, it ain't nothing better. Ain't no other bitch breaking this never. Let them know that we in this forever. You did your dirt and I stay with you. Loyal boy, I never play with you. Granted, I know I did good on my own, but look at the greatness I made with you. We still building. I know what we got, we can always get more if you're still willing. Cause I'm still feeling stronger than before. I hear the rumors that we ain't gon' make it. I feel the voices trying to come and break us. A lot of people hate us cause sis, do you see this? Do you see? Period. I always wanted to say that. Period. Okay? Look at there. These Queenins. Look at them. They ain't going. These Queenins ain't going. Okay? Okay, I gotta finish my face. Hit that subscribe button. Like, share, comment, everything.